Good morning, friends. This morning elaboration is on the topic excuses don't get results. There is no denying the fact that we often make excuses for our failures and inactivities. But there is no use denying the fact that excuses cannot help us. Excuses are the lies that we tell ourselves. Excuses are just the lies that we tell ourselves for our failures or inactivity. We often get so overwhelmed by the sheer magnitude of task ahead of us that we that we start procrastinating. When we are answerable to it, we make excuses. Knowing it very well that we are answerable to our failures or inactivity, we just make excuses. But can we deceive our conscience? No, never. We can't deceive our conscience. We wallow in self pity and guilt. Why to? Why to go over that torture when we can just buckle up the frog the first thing in the morning and start working? You know very well performing the most unpleasant task in the first part of the day will make the rest of the day comfortable. So perform the most unpleasant task just in the first half of the day. The rest of the day will be comfortable and relaxing. Second thing, that so many people are in habit of making excuses. But the real achievers do get up and go through hell. They know that once they come out of that, they would be brighter, and they will be more brighter than the shiniest of the gold, the shiniest of the diamond. The sharpest of the swords go through the hottest of the fires. जितना ही आदमी तपता है उतना ही निखरता है. सोना जितना ही आग में तपता है उतना ही शार्प होता है. लोहा जितना ही आग में तपता है उतना ही शार्प होता है. सोना जितना ही आग में तपता है उतना ही उसका रंग निखरता है. So the sharpest of the swords, go through the hottest of the fire. Therefore, be prepared to go through the most unpleasant part of your life. Be ready to face the worst. Then only you can have the best of time. If the thing that you are paying today, whatever you are paying today, will certainly result in great dividend in life. So never get disappointed and never make excuses. There are students and there are, people who just make excuses saying that, well, I could have done it better if I had that very opportunity, if I had done that. Why you are making such excuses when you are answerable to your failures? You have never tried wholeheartedly, putting your full efforts in the right direction, and then when you fail to achieve the target, you make excuses. Making excuses is an example of all the Indians. The Indians always they blame the situation, they blame the surroundings, they blame the other peoples for their own failures and their own inactivities. They are so overwhelmed by the sheer, magnitude of the task ahead that they start making excuses. But the fact is that they know it very well that they can't deceive their own conscience. So, my dear friends, it is better to be honest. Go for an introspection. Introspect your work and introspect your day. At the end of the day, make an introspection whether you have really worked utilizing the whole time or whether you have deceived yourself. Certainly, if you are making excuses that, well, there was no electricity, the day was completely hot, and that is why I couldn't complete the task, this will not help you. There will be problems. Sometimes there will be power failures. Sometimes there will be monsoons, heavy shower, and there will be some other problems. But can we really wait for the favorable day to come? No day is favorable. You have to make the day favorable. You decide when you are going to do the most unpleasant, the most difficult task, the most Herculean task in the very first part of the day. The rest of the day will be smoother. But when in the very first morning you start regretting and getting self-pity, that won't work. Therefore, excuses never works and they don't get any results. Don't make excuses. You yourself are answerable to your failures and your, inactivities. So, friends, better start working. Put your efforts in the right direction. Never give up. Keep on trying and always put your, all efforts in the right direction. Half heartedly or just in unwillingly doing something with no aim and emotion, with no dedication and devotion will result in nothing. So devote yourself. Devotion, dedication and perseverance are the key to success in life. Therefore, don't make excuses for your failures, rather restart and think that you have not put your best effort and that's why you have failed. So now when you are starting afresh, you put your best effort in the right direction, you will certainly reap your success and everything will be favorable. Thank you very much. This is Mr. Eddie Singh on the channel Easy English by Eddie Singh, your own channel. Thanks.